Start, you know, isn't it? Okay, start it. Okay, here parameters are given. What is A? What is A? What is A? Why A is first term? A is first term. What is D? Isn't it? What is D?
Common difference.
A2 minus A1 is equal to, or A3 minus A2 is equal to common difference. That is common difference. Now, what is N? Number of terms in the problem. What is AN? AN is equal to, what is AN? What is AN? Last term. Last term. What is last term? AN or last term or nth term is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. D is common difference. Then AN is equal to here. A is given as 7 and N is given as number of terms are given as 8. 8 minus 1 of 3. Then it will become 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. Then the answer is last term is 28. What is the last term? What is the last term?
28.
28. Here the next problem parameters are what is A? What is A?
A is 7.
A is first term. A is first term. What is D? Second, not second term. Common difference. A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. That is the common difference. What is N? What is N? Run away. What is N? What is N? Number of terms. What is AN? Last term or another name? Nth term also. You have to call it nth term also. Don't talk. Then what is formula? What is formula? Last term is equal to. Check. Tell me, Lord. Tell me. Don't tell me. A plus last term is equal to A plus N minus 1 half D. And then half and D into, that is. AN is equal to from all three numbers AN is given here. A1 is equal to first term plus number of terms minus 1 of common difference. Then A is, don't talk. AN is how much is given here? AN is how much is given here? AN is how much given? 0. Here AN is 0. AN is 0. A is minus 8 first term and number of terms are given 10. 10 minus 1 of D. Then 18 is equal to 90. 10 minus 1 90. 9 2s are 18. Then the D is equal to 2. Then the D is equal to 2. Here, what is this? Next here, what is that? Next, what is that? What is that? Next. Next, what is that? Tell me, Shanmukhi. What is AN here? What is given here? Last term is minus 5 is given. What is N? N how much? How much is given? N? 18. Number of terms are 18. And D is equal to, what is D? Pranay, what is D? Minus 3. D means common difference. And then A is equal to, what is A? A is equal to first term. A is equal to first term. Then AN is equal to last term or nth term is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. If you write this, you can get 1 mark. Important this problem is. Then AN is how much? AN is how much? AN is minus 5. Here I did write minus 5. Here you must look at this. Minus 5, minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to A is not given. That's why you will have to find A. What is A plus number of terms is equal to how many? Number of terms how many here? Number of terms how many? 18. Look at the board. Don't write anything while listening. 18 minus 1. Half common D how much is given?
3.
Minus 3. Negative 3 is given. Not 3. Not minus 3. Then minus 5 is last term and nth term is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. 17 of minus is equal to
3.
minus 3. then minus 3 into 17 minus 15 minus 51.
Minus 51.
A minus 51 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. This minus 51 transfers to the left side, then it will become
Yes.
46. A is equal to 46. Next parameters. What are the parameters? You tell. Pranav, tell. A. What is A? Tell. A is tell. A is first term. The D is, what is common? Common D. A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A3 minus A4 minus A3 is the common. Next, N is given or not?
Not given.
Not given means we will have to find. What is N? Number of terms we will have to find. Number of terms we will have to find. What is Jn? Pranav? Pranav, Vaishnav. What is Jn? Last term or another name. Nth term is important, that is, nth term in the textbook is given, nth term. Next, what is the formula? What is the formula? You tell. An is equal to?
A plus
Ah.
minus 1
Ah.
2D.
Nice, very good. Next, what is given here? Look at what is An given?
36.
36 or 3.6?
3.6.
3.6 is given here. 3.6 in the A place, I have written 3.6. 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9. 18.9. And then this 18.9, if it comes to left side, the minus sign will become plus. It is transposed. Minus 18.9 is transposed to left side. That's why it has become to plus side. Plus 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to 18.9 is equal to what is there? What is there here? N minus 1 into 25 is there. Here it is rubbed off. 18 minus 9. 18.9. Here this is N minus 1 into 25. 2.5. Then 3.6 plus 18.9, how much? 3.6 plus 18.9. 22.5. Then this 2.5 multiplication becomes division. Multiplication here 9 plus 1 half multiplication. So you eliminate what is the multiplication? This is what is this? Why do you look at cards?
Sir, no, sir.
What happens to 2.5? If it comes to left side, what will happen? Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. This right side will become this side division. Multiplication has become division here. 22.5 by 2.5 is equal to 25. 9s are 225. That's why and n minus 1 is equal to 9. Then if the minus 1 come to the left side or transfer to the left side, 9 plus 1 is equal to n. Number of terms are 10. Number of terms are 10. Next, what is given? Shammuki, tell now. What is A? What is A? Tell me. A is first term. First term 305. You are always studying A, B, C. But tell first term. What is D? Common difference from second term minus first term or third term minus second term or fourth term minus third term. Then what happen? N is what is N? Number of terms in the sequence or series. Sit right. Sequence or series? Sequence or series? Series. Sequence means commas there. Series means plus there. Hey, don't go. Plus there. Okay na? Series. Already I have told that. Next, what is A N L Nth? All are, remember to, all are considered as last term. Last term is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. Then An is equal to what is you? What is 3.5 here? 3.5 here is first term plus number of terms minus 1. What is D is given? D is given 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0 something is 0. 0 into something is 0. That's why it has become into 0. 3.5 plus 0 is equal to, answer is last term is 3.5 is the last term. Next 30th term. What is 30th term? Here tell me. The 30th term is nth term. Here that I have told that nth term. Nth term means last term. Last term means A sub n. A sub n. A sub n here. That's why what is that? An is given here and what is that? AP is given. What is AP? What is AP? What is AP?
Arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic progression, not arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Correct pronunciation is arithmetic progression. Correct pronunciation is arithmetic progression, not arithmetic progression. Next, what is the formula? An is equal. Tell me, Pranay. Formula, tell me. 1 mark you will get to. An is equal to. A sub n is equal to. Tell me. Equation tell me important. చెప్పాలి. A plus n minus 1 half d. Next, what is parameter? So A is given how much? A is how much given? A is 10. First term is given 10. Isn't it? First term is given 10. What is D? Tell me, Pranay. What is D? Common difference A2 minus A1. Here is equal to A2 is 7 and A1 is equal to, here A2 is 7. This is A1. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3. A1, A2, A3. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3. What is that? A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. That is the common difference. Common difference is given. We have found that common difference as minus 3. Then n is equal to 30th is equal to nth term is equal to, what is that? Nth term is equal to, nth is equal to 30th is equal to 30. That is nth term is also nothing but last term or A sub n. Then an is equal to, next term A plus, tell me.
A plus n minus of d.
A plus 1 n minus 1 of d. What is the answer? Sonmukhi, tell. What is the answer? What is the answer? Minus, what is 87? 87, what is that? 87, what is that? What is that 87?
D. N minus 1 of d.
1 of d. Next parameters, tell me, Sanju. A is equal to, what is A?
First term.
A is first term and D, what is D?
Common difference.
Common difference is equal to A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3 is the common difference. Then what is L?
Last term.
L is last term. L is last term. It will come in the sum of n terms. An plus last term will be given. If n is not given, then you will have to look out the problem. Next parameter is equal to next. Tell me. Next you tell. What is 3 minus 3? What is minus 3? Shanmukhi. Minus 3 is first term. Plus n is, what is n here? 11 minus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Here what is there? 2 5s are cancelled, 5 5s are 25, minus 3 plus 25. We got 22. Box it and write 2 marks. Then we will get good marks of 2 marks. Then parameters. What is parameters? Come here. What is parameters? Come here. What is parameters? Come here. A1 is equal to, A1 is equal to, A1 is equal to how much?
2.
A1 is equal to how much?
2.
A1 is equal to 2. Come here. A1 is equal to, A3 is equal to how much here?
26.
A3 is 26. And what is that? A1 is nothing but A. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. A plus 2D. That is A plus 2D, A3. And A3 is equal to, here I have written A plus 3. A2 is equal to A plus 1D. Here A1 is equal to A plus 0. You will have to write in the examination. Then otherwise you will not understand the problem. Then A3 is equal to how much? A3 is equal to how much, Pranavi? A3 is equal to how much?
26.
Array A3 is equal to how much?
A plus 2D.
2D is equal to 26 here given. Then what is 2? C. What is A1? Tell me. What is A1? A1 is equal to, without saying tell me. A1 is equal to? A1 is only given. A1 is equal to 2. Then it becomes A plus 0.
Equals to 2.
A plus 0 is, then A cancel, here 0 is added here, 0, write down 0. Then it becomes, is minuends are changed, here plus becomes minus, here plus becomes minus, here individual plus becomes minus, then we got to 2D is equal to 24. 24 is equal to 12 are 24. Therefore, D is equal to 12. Then what is do what we have got? 12 here you only write down. We have written is what we have written here. A2. Here we have found 12 only. There is a problem remind here. Remind our correct answer. A2 is tell me. Tell me. You tell me.
Sir.
You tell me. Don't I? Here this also doubt here there.